In this video, I am going to discuss about Bingham plastic fluid, thixotropic fluid, rheotactic fluids. In the last video of fluid mechanics, I have discussed about non-Newtonian fluid. The generalized equation of non-Newtonian fluid is tau is equals to A into du by dy whole power n plus b. In the last video, I have discussed about the case number 1 and case number 2, that is, if n is greater than 1 and b is equals to 0 and n is less than 1 and b is equals to 0. In this video, I am going to discuss about this case number 3, that is, n is equals to 1 and b is equals to tau. Means if n is equals to 1 and b is equals to tau, such type of fluids are known as Bingham plastic fluid. Bingham plastic fluids are the types of the fluids in which the flow commences if it reaches the some limiting value of shear stress. That is, if you take a toothpaste, the toothpaste wouldn't flow unless and until some shear force is applied on it. Open the cap of the toothpaste. It will not flow unless you apply some shear stress. Therefore, this is the limiting value of this shear stress. So such type of fluids are known as Bingham plastic fluids. So thixotropic fluids means, thixotropic fluids are the fluids which are the time dependent fluids. Means the dynamic viscosity may increase or decrease with respect to the time. If it increases with respect to the time, then it is classified under thixotropic fluids. If the dynamic viscosity decreases with respect to the time, then such type of fluids are classified under rheotactic fluids. If the dynamic viscosity increases with respect to the time, means, for example, if you take a paint and enamel combination or a nail polish, a lipstick, etc., the dynamic viscosity of these nail polish, lipstick, or the paint plus enamel combination increases with respect to the time. So directly, these are time dependent fluids. If the dynamic viscosity increases with respect to the time, then it is classified under thixotropic fluids. If the dynamic viscosity decreases with respect to the time, then it is classified under a rheotactic fluid. Means, for example, if you take gypsum or bentonite solution, so the dynamic viscosity of this gypsum and bentonite slurry decreases with respect to the time. If you plot a graph between shear stress and the velocity gradient for this thixotropic and rheotactic fluids, the plot will be like this. For a thixotropic fluid, for a rheotactic. This is for Bingham plastic. And this is for thixotropic.